What's going on, everyone? Back with another video, and we're looking at the SOLIS adjustable table made by Cozey. You know, like that box sofa makers. And we're gonna look at it today and see how well it does. So here we go. Today we got the black version. What they would call is the Eclipse version of this. It does come with Solstice and also Twilight, which is the gray version. So this is the box. We just freshly unboxed it right now. And looking at the instruction manual, as you could see, it is quite premium. They use premium paper on this. And as we open the instruction manual, this is one of the best instruction manual you could think of, actually. And I've never seen such detailed, precise, even colored version of this. I would suggest that if it's an instruction manual, it would be nice if it does match the table that it comes with. But nevertheless, this is the best, one of the best instruction manuals you could see in the market. Now, I would suggest to Cozey for next time to use recyclable materials, because the foam in Canada, we're not able to like recycle these, so I'd have to put it on the garbage or put it on the eco station. It'd be nice if it's a recyclable material, so you could just put it on the blue bag and they can take it away. But this bottom piece right here is quite heavy. All the materials here are premium, and it has some weight to it so that the table won't topple over. It has a lot of protection that way. Also, the sides, it's a great addition because the sides are curved. So if you have kids and pets or whatever, or you ever bump the table, you won't hurt yourself on the corners. Now the screws are all the same as well, so it's really easy. You won't mix up which one will go through the holes. Now everything is pretty straightforward. As you could see, the 4 screws will go through here, and then there's 2 more screws that goes into the adjustable kind of switch here, adjustable lever for the body. And it's the same bolts for everything, so you just use the same tool that is provided in the box, and that's really it. It's pretty quick, pretty easy to install, put together, so anyone will be able to do this without any problem whatsoever. I just kept it snug, nothing too tight or anything like that, so you don't wear out the threads, but it is pretty stable for the most part. The table is quite hefty as well, so you don't have to worry about tipping it or anything like that. If you want to protect your floors as well, you can add these little rubber floorings that they provided in the box as well. It's pretty much just 3M taped or sticky backs on the bottom of the base. Again, everything is pretty easy to install, nothing too crazy or anything like that. If you are not a handy person, it doesn't matter, and you'll be able to assemble this without any problem. And as you could see, it just goes on the side of your sofa so that you can use this as a coffee stand. It doesn't protrude or anything like that. The body of it and the stem of it is adjustable up and down. It is also good up to about 31 inches on height here on the highest of it, and it's about 21 inches for the lower part of it at the lowest, which is really awesome. Great, about 10 inches difference there, depending on what kind of chair you have and what kind of couch you have. The weight of this as well is 23.4 pounds. As you can see, it is pretty hefty on the heavy side, but you kind of need that so that the table doesn't tip over. And that's it. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new coffee table for your home. This is made by Cozey. It's called the SOLIS, and I definitely would recommend this for everyone who wants a minimalist design. And it's great for if you have kids or pets, and you won't be able to bump yourself or hurt yourself because it has curved sides, and it is good for max weight load of 30 kilograms. There is a new collection as well. It's called the Stella collection by Cozey. I would definitely Definitely check that out on their channel as well. I will link everything down below, so go ahead and check that out. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.